If you want to go from this to this, you're going to need a Tideway hair dryer. It has 4 different temperature settings from cold, warm, hot, and cold and hot for the best volume. It has 2 different speed settings, and with 200 million negative ion technology, this hair dryer dries my hair in less than 4 minutes and my dog's hair in less than 10. It also comes with a magnetic nozzle that rotates 360 degrees, as well as a diffuser for curly hair. If you're ready for the best home blowout of your life, treat yourself today while this is on sale, and this makes a fabulous Mother's Day gift too. Oh, and don't forget your coupon.